Hey friend, Dawn here. I'm at the top of Stone Mountain on a beautiful wintry day. It's windy, but it's still beautiful and cold. Anyways, just wanted to, so I was climbing the mountain. I always like to watch people. Some people go really fast. Some people run up it like a jackrabbit. Other people are just slow. They plod, they take a rest. They're doing the best they can. So, I thought about network marketing. Many times someone rises to the top seemingly overnight, but they have paid the price before. They are conditioned, they are in good shape, they exercise. So those are the people that have the skill set, the mindset, the beliefs, and just rise to the top quickly. And of course, there are other of us that are just plodders, but we all get there the same way, step by step, and you'll make it to the top, just don't quit. So, anyways, just wanted to give you that word of encouragement. Keep one foot in front of the other, never quit, and you will reach your dreams, just like you reach the top of the mountains. Bye for now.